Hi, everybody. Welcome back for week 22 of PE. This week we are going to be wrapping up bicycle safety. So, here's what you're going to do today. You have your warm up, and your warm up this week is the Super Bowl because we all know we have that coming up on Sunday. This or that Tabata workout. So, we've done this or that before where you pick this picture or that picture. And then we've also done the Tabata workout where you exercise for 20 seconds and then you get a 10-second break. So that's going to be your warm-up activity for this week. Then we are wrapping up bicycle safety this week we're going to do the brain pop video, right? So you're going to watch that where they talk about bicycle safety. And then you are going to watch this Ride Smart. It's time to start. This is a great video to remind us about why we should wear our helmets, the importance of wearing your helmet, how to wear your helmet, the correct way to wear your helmet. So great video for you to take a look at that. And then the last thing we're going to do in class is we have the Scholastic News. And I am going to be sharing with the class and talking about the cover story, this head-to-head, the risk of head injuries, has many people asking if football is too dangerous. So I'm going to be reading like this area, concussion concerns, and continue to read that area. And then I am going to move into this last graph area here where it talks about how most kids get their concussions based on the bar graph. So we're going to go through and talk about this, how bicycling's number one, why is it number one, all that information. We're going to go through and answer these questions. So you'll have that. Um, and then, as I said, we'll talk about this article, read the article. We'll talk about a concussion, what a concussion is, how we could get a concussion from not wearing our helmet and getting in an accident and bumping our head, things like that. So that is pretty much what we are working on this week as far as bicycle safety and wrapping things up. So enjoy learning those final things about bicycle safety. Remember, if you have time to get out there and ride, next week we are going to be on the bicycles here at school and putting into practice all the things that we have been learning in our classroom this week. So hopefully you'll be able to get out there and do some riding the next couple weeks as we are as well. All right. Well, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.